how to transfer money from savings to checking account on Regions Bank. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from savings to checking account on Regions Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to transfer money from savings to checking account on Regions Bank, you have to follow these steps. If you are using online banking, then select transfers from the main menu. Then select internal transfer. After that, select the account's date, frequency, and enter the desired transfer amount and submit. To view or modify a scheduled transfer, select the Activity tab, or if you are using the mobile app, then in the main menu, select Transfers. After that, choose Internal Transfer to set up a transfer between accounts. Then choose View Schedule to see transfer activity and modify any you have planned for a future date. So that's how you can transfer money from savings to checking account on Regions Bank. That's all for this video.